Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audiocast from Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide Anindya Bannerjee. Global financial markets से कुछ खास cues नहीं है. Either markets are flat or mixed. Dollar rupee कल late hours में saw sharp pullback from 76.50. It came down to 76.20 levels. But overall अगर structure देखें तो it's very much range bound. Last few trading sessions say we were seeing an upward drift, but we have been warning that there is an upward drift, but there is no momentum, which means कोई भी market जब momentum नहीं होता, it means that large players are not committed in that market with positions. इसके लिए there is no momentum, and it also signifies that there are no dominant factors at play. जैसे end Feb, early March, there was a dominant factor which was oil and the geopolitics. इसके कारण the trend was upward and it ignored every other factor. This time, because कोई dominant factor है नहीं, तो any factor that emerges during the day has an impact. Or let's say any flows, कोई corporate का flow आ गया, outflow or inflow, that will have a 20-25 paisa, sometimes 30 paisa impact. So that's something we have to keep in mind. तो इसके लिए ये मार्केट में फ्यूचर से ट्रेड करना is a very risky proposition because it can move erratically and suddenly. Now अगर हम लोग ऑप्शन का जो पोजीशनिंग है उसको देखें, क्योंकि that matters a lot, the open interest जो accumulated है. Last few days it was continuously trying to break above 76.50. It failed, and 76.50 में there was a large accumulation of calls, so they had to keep the prices below 76.5 and they have been quite successful. अभी अगर हम लोग पुट्स को देखें तो 76.25 और 76 ये दो स्ट्राइक में heavy accumulation है open interest का, which signifies again the option sellers would like to defend the dollar rupee now at lower levels. So अगर चार्ट्स में भी देखें तो 76 और 76.50 का एक रेंज बनता है between a major support and a resistance on the spot basis, and at the same time we are seeing that in the option open interest data as well. So how we can play, one trade which comes to mind is कि you can sell a strangle जो April 27th expiry है, 76 और 76.50 वाला जो strangle है, that can be sold but with adequate stop losses. That is one trade which can be done. Straddles can also be considered क्योंकि it generally melts a lot faster, but straddles में risks are little more. So you can even consider a straddle, something which can be done, let's say today and tomorrow, Friday closing के आसपास. If you don't want to take the over the weekend risk, you can convert that into a hedge strategy, either a semi-hedged by hedging just with a call out of money, or with a put, or both. So a short straddle and a short strangle can be a good way to trade in this market because it's range bound between 76 and 76.5 in the spot. Crosses में फिलहाल के लिए we would like to wait and see because a lot of these pairs like Euro INR and JPY INR both have become quite oversold. So we don't have positional trade in this at this point in time. We will be issuing more intraday trades as the opportunity presents itself. So that's it, folks. This is Anindya Bannerjee signing off. A fantastic day ahead.